Hey guys, Hoyt and I here. We're fixing ready to go fishing. Today we're going to try to teach Hoyt how to use a spinnerbait.
Stop.
So here you go, grab your pole. I'll grab mine and let's go. Well, the dogs aren't going to help. Honey, Hulk, get out of there. Come on, Hulk. All right, go ahead. Cast it on out there. Push the button. Hold it. All right, now start reeling. No, pretty quick.
You're not gonna fish?
It's not catching for some. Go ahead. Reel. There we go. Push and hold and get it out there. There you go. No. Make sure, there you go, your line's going in. Okay. You got something?
No, but he got away.
Now bring it back and throw it out there. Try to throw it out that way. Good throw, bud. Get it on out there. Good throw. Good job. Okay, go for it. Get on out there. There you go. That'll be a good one. All right, start reeling. Oh, somebody drove up here. Somebody drove up here on the dam.
Who did? Hazel?
All right, so yesterday I'd used my first ever chatterbait. We got these Havoc Pit Boss Green Pumpkin. About 3 casts in, I caught my first one. And he was a big one. So anyways, used my first ever chatterbait. Finally caught one. I'm horrible at this. Caught him. I'll try to post a picture of him. Stop it. And then the cast after I caught him, got hung up on something and lost it. So I went to Walmart. I bought 3 more. So we're gonna see how this works out again today. Just before. All right, I'm gonna throw it out there and then you just start reeling it in, okay? You gotta reel it pretty quick. So just start reeling. Reel it in quick. Oh, there we go. We're on. That didn't even. Come on. That just hit. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Come on. You got one? Oh man, this is a nice one. Here he comes. Here he comes. Look at that sucker. Oh my gosh. No, you don't have one.
Yeah, I saw
Look
one.
at that.
I saw one.
Look at that.
I don't want to hold
You don't want to hold it. Let's see what this sucker weighs. Let's hit him again. He was showing 3. 3.14. Look at that. That's a sucker right there. That's a beautiful fish. Yeah. On the chatter donkey. There you go, kicking their bass. On the chatter donkey. That was a sucker on the chatter donkey. Chatter donkey is what they're called. All right. I think we're gonna go fish the big pond here in a minute. I mean, that just hit the water. As soon as I hit the water, that sucker was on. He was waiting for it. All right. So here's my small pond. We're gonna go to the big pond. We're gonna see what we can get in the big pond. Ooh, I hope there's one bigger in here. All right, hey, here we go. That sucker out there. I'm about to go in. Yep, back up, Hayes. Because I don't want you to go in the pond. I think I just lost my trailer. Yeah, it feels different. Yep, lost the trailer. Got pond scum all over it. We're gonna do one more trailer. And then we're gonna call it. Oh yeah, we're on. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Oop. There we go. Good looking bass. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Again, I don't know if I'm retrieving this right. So if you guys have any suggestions, there's a good fish. If you guys have any suggestions on how I'm supposed to retrieve this, I'm just doing some different things. Oh, I got a good old grass fish. Where he was. Nope. Not even close. That's what I get for trying to go home run. If you guys have any suggestions on how I'm supposed to do this, if I'm doing it right, critique me, help me out, so I can Show you guys some good fish. More grass. I love the grass. Ooh, it's probably the biggest one yet. Yep, there he goes. I saw him hit it. Come on in here. Look where I've been slipping and sliding around. There you go, another good fish. Let's see how dirty it is. Ooh, he ate that. Look at that. He swallowed it. He said, I want that. She hooked it right in the cheek. Got it. Not bad. Not bad little guy. Woo! Slipping and sliding, about to fall in. All right, bye, bud. There he goes. Woo, woo. Oh, it's so gross. It's so gross. So there you guys go. Good old chatter donkey. Second day of using it. Let me know in the comments below if I'm doing it wrong. If you guys got any critique advice for me, shoot it at me in a comment below. And we'll try it again one day.